All right, so let's go ahead and put this model in drive and let's take it out to South Dixie. So like I mentioned, this model features the same 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, but this one in this application, unlike the Cooper S that produces 201 horsepower, this one produces 228 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque, which is something you would expect from your, you know, top performance model. You know, the Cooper S isn't really a top performance model. This one really is. So let's go ahead and take this out for a drive. Power delivery in normal mode is actually very, very good. When you press on the gas, it's instant. That 7-speed DCT transmission is actually shifting the gears a lot faster than what the old 8-speed automatic transmission used to do. So we're gonna go ahead and put it into go-kart mode, and we're gonna drive it around over here, and we're gonna shift it ourselves. All right, let's go ahead and see how this car handles. It feels really, really good. Very poised. Even though it is a front-wheel drive vehicle, it is very, very quick, and it grips insanely well for a front-wheel drive vehicle. Like I said, this does come with the limited slip differential up at the front, so it is gonna help dictate traction to either wheel when you are going ahead and driving it spiritably like I just did. Let's go ahead and throw it back down to core mode, and as you see, this does actually have a firmer suspension than what you would find going over this bump over here. It does have a firmer suspension, to be expected from a JCW. You know, this is a go-kart type of vehicle, so you're gonna have those kind of, you know, firmer aspects in this car than you would expect from maybe like a 3 Series. But all in all, it feels very good, very poised around those you know, corners. I love how the turn-in was there. Even when I gave it gas around those corners, the power, you could feel the distribution going to either wheel rather than having torque steer, and that's a really good thing that this model comes with. I love limited slip differentials, especially for sport line models, you know. Let's go ahead and take it back out again, actually, and let's go ahead and drive there just casually. No talking, just casual driving. I do want to say something really quick. Seeing out of the car with these large side windows, the front windshield, and then these side pillar you know, windows, is actually really good. I love the overall, you know, way that we could see out from the greenhouse. A lot of cars that are small like this typically have smaller windows all around, but this car actually doesn't have that whatsoever, and it's quite nice to see, honestly. So yeah, all in all, this car feels phenomenal. I mean, for somebody who wants a sportier version over the Cooper S variant, this is the car to go for. Also, for somebody who wants something fun where they don't have to cash out so much money, especially in the car industry and how expensive cars have been getting lately, this is the fun car to buy. this is the vehicle to get, especially for a hot hatchback like this vehicle. Front wheel drive, limited slip differential, 7-speed DCT. I think it's a phenomenal car. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.